Hi guys. Today we're playing Hunting, which is a game about hunting. It's a free game off of itch.io. Um, it's someone's first game, and that's kind of much everything there was really about it. So it's gonna do that because I've been realizing that all the games I've been trying to record have been overpowering my voice. So whatever. Well, let's jump in. Wow, is this like? It's probably nothing. Mouse sensitivity. Oh yeah, it's much better. Is this like a Ford? Oh yeah. Immediately. Well, not immediately, but pretty darn quickly. Oh yeah. I feel like, oh, boom. Ooh. I feel like you don't just want to leave it in the back of your truck. I feel like you probably want to like bleed it and stuff like that. Not just let it. No deer around. Prosecute a deer call. I sound so majestic. Where are they? Where are the deer? They ready for me? That may have scared me a bit. So how many deer are we trying to get? Who are we trying to feed? We have 2 deers. That's like a lot of deer. Deer. Tango spotted. Oh yeah. Also, the strength? Carrying a deer? Oh yeah. That was like practically a flick. Or something like that. I don't have to scope down. Holy cow. Okay. I might be a little scared. I might be a little off-putted. I don't want to get closer. Oh. Hi. You come here often? I got deer. Going hunting again? Yes? Why? I have a daughter to feed. I've only ever been good at hunting. Can't hold another job for the life of me. Oh! Okay, I got this. What? Bam. Well, now we know, like, the scariest part, you know? Like, that's the jump scare. It's not even that bad. There's so many trees I could barely see anyways. Also, why would I go hunting at night? Who does that? Why would anyone do this to themselves? Also, why would you come back? Who sees that and is like, you know what? My passion is hunting. Pick up fishing. Pick up fishing. Because then maybe there won't be, like, people eating each other in the forest.
Please, please, no.
What if these aren't deer? What if these are people? What if I'm a crazy person? What if I'm the person eating people? What if I'm crazy? The crazy one. What if I'm the killer in the woods? I'm so smart! Going hunting again? Yes. Why? I have a god to feed. Oh. It's a weird looking moon. Something I think something's coming down. I feel like actually might be. And that's it. That's hunting. A short game made by Kitsukel. You can check them out on itch. Support them if you can. And that's pretty much a wrap. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you can always subscribe or like. And that's it. Doodles.